FreMantle International is Europe's largest TV, radio and production company, most famous for distributing the completed programming and formats for some of the world's biggest reality and non-scripted programming. American Idol is there, X Factor, America's Got Talent, and Britain's Got Talent, to name just a few. And they're also making their stand amongst the top worldwide content creators of scripted series, something like The Young Pope, Picnic at the Hanging Rock, Daishaland 83, 86, and coming soon, 89, as well as American Gods, all shows Mnet licensed exclusively from FreMantle International. Joining us now is Jamie Lynn, who heads up the FreMantle's distribution for Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. And we're going to talk about some of the key titles we've got coming in, as well as a new crime drama series that we're co-producing. Jamie, thank you so much for giving us your time. Yoli's also here because I want to speak about this marriage, right? First things first. Jamie, I'm going to come to you. This crime drama, I know it's shot in Kwa-Zulu-Natal. I know there's a detective that goes back to her hometown. Someone is killing people and she's not about it. Talk to me about it.
Well, first of all, hello, everyone, and thanks for having me. Greetings from the Canadian woods, where I am at the moment. It's nice to be able to join you, and I'm sure Yolisa doesn't recognize me with my COVID hair and beard, but please forgive me. I normally look much more respectful than this. But essentially, what I wanted to say is that when we've been working, I've been personally working in Africa for over 15 years and been coming to and working with this company for a very long time. And they're one of the, I work across Europe, Middle East, and Africa. And this is one of the great pay platforms of all of Europe or Africa. And it's always been a pleasure to work with them, and they set a very high standard. And when it came to original content, we have been working around the world with great pay platforms and finding shows and ideas from everywhere. But we knew with the taste palette and the quality of what Mnet delivers to its customers that there was a real opportunity to work with a company and to bring an African story to the world. So while we've been for a long time bringing things directly, bringing the world's great programming to Mnet and to MultiChoice, it's great to be able to have it go the other direction. So we're working on a premium series here that we think is going to be a hit not only domestically but around the world, and we're very excited to partner on that level.
So Jamie, basically what you're saying is we are your favorite.
You have been for a long time.
I like that. Now, Yoli, when it comes to these marriages and these co-productions, I mean, we've seen the success from Trackers. What would you like to see happen to this crime drama? I think it's written by Rohan, I think his name is, written by him. FreMantle's jumped on board, so have we. What's the end goal for you?
Well, for us, it's really about telling great stories for our audience. I mean, this is going to be a premium Mnet drama. It's going to sit alongside, the incredible international drama that Jamie's just spoken about that our viewers are used to watching. But over and above that, it's going to provide the rest of the world with an opportunity to enjoy an incredible story. So crime genre is hugely popular. But this is a very special crime drama because, it's a backdrop that people haven't seen. And I think that people are increasingly interested in seeing other worlds and in learning about what's happening in other countries, but in a familiar framework. So we have a crime drama, which everybody loves, but here it's set in KwaZulu-Natal. So, immediately the sugarcane fields, the township, the different languages, the diversity of Durban, and also a very, very topical story. A story of a woman who has a history, a troubled history, a story of people struggling to make sense of their lives, struggling to do better for themselves and their children.
And it's a female lead. Yes, a female lead, right? Yes, round of applause. Yoli said something about familiar backgrounds with new faces or familiar faces, with new backgrounds. I now want to talk about Enslaved because I love Samuel L. Jackson. In another life, he's my naughty uncle. So for me to hear that he's doing a show in Ghana, I want to know all about it.
Well, thank you. Yes, we're really, really excited about bringing this one, again, a world premiere that we're bringing to Mnet. And we've been working with Samuel L. Jackson on a amazing, the story of the very harsh and important story of the transatlantic slave trade, something that many people know about, but not many people know enough about. And they think of it as just an American issue. And of course, it's always been an African issue. And we were able to convince, Samuel L. Jackson is the world's biggest movie star. If you add up box office revenues, he is the world's #1 movie star. And he was very happy to partake and work on this project with us. So yes, he does visit Africa in the show. And the show goes from Africa to the UK, across Europe, to South America, and to America. And we are learning it's the 400-year history of the transatlantic slave trade, told in a very, very premium way, and something that I think audiences are not only going to be learning a lot about, but are going to be very, very entertained, we're happy to say, because we also, in each episode, dive down, and there are professional divers who come and they find sunken slave ships with some of the remnants of what was there on board, as a way to teach future generations about the horrific conditions and the whys, the hows, and what went on that so many people know a horrific part of our history but don't know enough about. And Samuel L. Jackson is really just a voice to bring light on this issue, and we're just very, very excited for you to see it.
Jamie, we are so excited with all the titles that you're bringing to Mnet, from Durban with Reyka to Ghana with Samuel L. Jackson. I know we're going to Italy on a military base somewhere as well.
Right.
You know, a wonderful story. We just want to say thank you for us, being your favorite, and for always bringing us the best titles. We look forward to pressing play on all of them.
Thank you very much. I just want to say very quickly, in all seriousness, we, as Fremantle, we started out working with you on the Idol program and many of the entertainment shows. You followed us into our world of scripted drama, some of the best HBO programming and things from around the world that we bring to you and your audiences. American Gods being the only place in the world where it's available on linear TV at the same time as Amazon. Amazon don't have it where you are. And now to be able to partner on an original project and bring that to the world, something that we're not doing with anybody else. It's something that's really special to us, and we're doing it because we think it's just a very special way in the evolution of the relationship. So thanks for letting me say that. It's important for me to say. And thank you for everything.
Cheerio. Enjoy Canada. It looks wonderful over there. Cheers, Jamie Lynn.